Hi everyone, I'm Pratna Anand and I'm from the University of Virginia. And over the course of my internship, I've been working on a policy framework that integrates underwater domain awareness into India's evolving marine spatial planning policy through a tool called Localized Marine Impact Dashboards or LMIDs. So, LMIDs matter for policy because, firstly, India's coastal zones are increasingly vulnerable to climate shocks, ecological degradation, and strategic threats like submarine cable disruptions. But our maritime governance system remains very centralized, sectoral, and extremely reactive. LMIDs are a tool to correct this by embedding real time district level intelligence into tangible into the marine policy. They translate ocean data into tangible governance outcomes, bringing national policies to life at a more local level. So I'm gonna explain the policy integration that I came up with. So basically, UDA or underwater domain awareness provides the strategic sensing backbone through acoustic monitoring, mapping, and data fusion. MSP then uses this data to guide spatial allocation across sectors. However, there is currently no effective policy link between the two. LMIDs are what I consider to be the missing link. They operationalize UDA insights through localized dashboards and feed them into the MSP process, ensuring policy is informed, responsive, and adaptive. During my research, I identified four persistent policy gaps. Firstly, decentralization is very weak. Districts have little say in MSP despite bearing the frontline impacts. Secondly, UDA data is very inaccessible. It's too technical and very centralized. Third of all, ministries and sectors lack shared marine data sets, causing duplication and zoning conflicts. And lastly, policy making is often very reactive, leaving a low capacity for risk mitigation. LMIDs address gaps via localized access, stakeholder co ownership, and data interoperability. The proposal that I came up with is that LMIDs are basically digital dashboards that are developed and maintained at the district level. They could be hosted through the Coastal Zone Management Authority, which already exists, so they're not a new institution. Each dashboard merges satellite data, acoustic signals, as well as local reports. The goal is not to create new rules here, but to make existing ones more actionable. They coordinate across fisheries, environment, disaster management, and research institutions. So, to make this more realistic, I proposed a phased implementation strategy. First, a needs assessment will be conducted in pilot districts such as Dwarka. Then, co design of the dashboard will take place with organizations such as NIOT and INCOIS. Phase 3 would involve training district teams and community data specialists. And finally, we scale and institutionalize and align LMID data with state MSP plans and national blue economy frameworks. So they LMIDs on something that's standalone. They build on policies that already exist. For example, that alerts and zoning maps reinforce coastal regulation zoning rules, that development their spatial intelligence can inform the development of the PM Gati Shakti and Sagarmala infrastructure corridors. The ecological their ecological monitoring aligns with SDG 14 and the Ministry of Earth Sciences Deep Ocean Mission. Additionally, I also recommended that creating a dedicated MSP subhead within the 200 crore plus OSMART scheme. This would institutionalize funding for LMIDs as the local operational layer of India's ocean governance system, ensuring they are scalable, embedded, as well as policy backed. LMIDs work and are feasible in the Indian policy context. I say this because they work within existing ministries and mandates that are economically viable using low cost modular tech built for tropical waters, and socially they empower communities without needing major legal reform. This design also allows for a vertical integration from fisheries to the Ministry of Earth Sciences while keeping decision making closest to the coast. Um, and these LMIDs also help with India's national and global alignment. Globally, they help India meet SDG 14. Nationally, they deliver on Viksit Bharat 2047 goals for the blue economy. But more than just simple box checking, they help make our marine policies work on the ground in real time with real people. So, my final recommendation is that firstly, we formally recognize LMIDs as a part of India's MSP framework. Secondly, we allocate a budget line within the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Third of all, we pilot LMIDs in 2 to 5 districts within the next 2 to 3 years by formally placing MSP and LMID on support under the OSMART scheme. We operationalize ocean data within existing funding, ensuring LMIDs are supported by policy and finance resources. This isn't just about a new tech, it's about a new way to govern the seas from the shoreline up. Thank you so much.